Okay, so today I am explaining you the magnetic field at a distance x from the axis of wire. First of all, we will take case 1 in which x is smaller than a, means inside wire. This is a cylindrical wire of radius a, and consider a point P at a distance x inside the wire only. For this, we will consider a closed hypothetical circular loop of radius c. Radius is x. Now, in pi a square the current flowing is I, and in 1 unit the current will flow I upon pi a square. Similarly, in pi x square the current will flow I upon pi a square into pi x square. So the new current I dash will be equal to pi se pi cancel, I x square upon a square. Now we use Ampere's circuital law. So what this states? It states that the current flowing around any closed loop will be equals to mu naught times the current threading in the loop. Here the current will be the I dash value of current, which is equals to pi x square upon a square. अभी हमने पीछे जो निकाली थी वही. Okay, now we will put the values. Here the dl will comes out to be 2 pi x. 2 pi x. X से एक x cancel. Take this 2 pi here down into pi upon a square. So finally the magnetic field comes out to be mu naught upon 2 pi ix upon a square. Here the magnetic field is directly proportional to the distance x. Now we will take case 2 in which x is equals to a. इसमें बस हम a स्क्वायर की जगह x की जगह a रख देंगे बिकॉज x इज इक्वल्स टू a. x की जगह a पुट करेंगे, then we will cancel out 1a. So the magnetic field will comes out to be mu naught upon 2 pi I upon a. Now we will take case 3. Now we will take outside the wire, means x is greater than a. Here also we will apply Ampere's circuital law. dl is equals to 2 pi x mu naught I. b comes out to be mu naught upon 2 pi I upon x. Here we see that b is inversely proportional to the distance x. Here is x. Okay, so if we draw a graph of 3 cases, it will comes out to be like this. First the magnetic field is increasing, then it decreases, as here b is inversely proportional to the distance x and here b is directly proportional to the distance x. Here the b will be maximum when a is equals to x. Okay, thank you.